Before you buy the Douk Audio ST-01 Pro, there are 3 things you absolutely need to know, because this tiny amp shocked me in ways I was not ready for. Welcome to Tips for Tech AV.
This is a new YouTube channel about technology, so please support the channel and hit subscribe.
Seriously, if someone had told me this earlier, I would have saved myself confusion, stress, and maybe my neighbors filing a noise complaint. Alright, let's do it, starting with the unboxing, because obviously we have to open this box first. Okay, first impression, this thing is packed like they expect me to drop it on the way from the mailbox, twice. So you get the amp, you can buy it without the power supply unit and use your own, also saving money, and a manual so detailed it likely includes my birth chart. And this little device, it feels surprisingly high-end. Like, yes, I'm small, but whatever. Those view meters, oh yeah, I saw those and instantly thought, yup, this is how hi-fi addictions begin.
Look at this, the Douk Audio ST-01 Pro. It's tiny, right? But don't be fooled, this little amp packs more power than you expect.
Okay, listen, now let's connect it to the speakers. These are good speakers, by the way. A video is coming. Thing number 1. The volume is surprisingly strong. Okay, listen, I expected this amp to be chill, modest, low-key, but nope. The first time I turned the knob, it basically said, "You wanted sound? Here you go, paw!" My speakers jumped like someone threw cold water on them. If you are new to entry hi-fi, these Class D amps look cute, but they hit like they are trying to show dominance. So start the volume low, like my cat is sleeping and I want it to stay that way, low. Thing number 2, Bluetooth is good, but not that good. Yes, the Bluetooth works. Yes, it's convenient. Yes, it's ideal for when you are too lazy to stand up, which is always. But relying only on Bluetooth for hi-fi is like eating cereal with a fork. Yes, it works, but you are missing the good stuff. So it's better to use a wired connection if you can. RCA, auxiliary, or even a DAC. You don't need fancy gear, just something that is not sending audio through the air like a confused pigeon. Thing number 3. The VU meters are not just cute, they are dangerous. Okay, confession time. I did not need VU meters. Nobody needs VU meters. But the moment I saw them bouncing, I realized I have become that person. The one who stops listening to the music and starts watching the lights like it's a pet fish. This is how the hi-fi rabbit hole works. First, tiny amp with cute meters. Next, massive amplifier that doubles as a room heater, like this one. This little thing has a hybrid amplifier design. You can remove the valves and replace them yourself when the tubes age, or maybe you want to experiment with different tube types. Without power supply, this thing is around 89 euros, and if you're lucky, you may find it even a little cheaper than that. Bonus note, it's an excellent entry hi-fi option. If you are new to hi-fi, the ST-01 Pro is basically the ideal gateway device. It's cheap enough to buy without feeling guilty, but good enough to make you think, what if I spend more money? And boom, welcome to hi-fi, no refunds. Wrap up.
It's small on your desk, big on your ears. Seriously, it surprised me.
Those are the 3 things I wish I knew before buying the Douk Audio ST-01 Pro. If you are enjoying this adventure, hit subscribe, more fun is coming. And let me know in the comments, which part of hi-fi drew you in first. Alright, I'll see you in the next one.
And that's the Douk Audio ST-01 Pro. It's small, it's sleek, And it's seriously impressive. If you are looking for a little amp that really delivers, this little guy won't let you down. I hope you have fun watching this creative video. Please support the channel and hit subscribe. And see you soon.